Welcome to my channel, Conversation. Good morning, class. I hope everyone's feeling ready to tackle today's lesson.
Morning, Miss Smith. I'm still a bit sleepy, to be honest.
It's understandable. Weekends have a way of making Monday mornings a bit tough.
Yeah, tell me about it. Mine was packed with homework and chores.
Sounds like a busy weekend. Remember, it's important to balance work and relaxation.
I'll try to keep that in mind for next time.
So did anyone do something exciting over the weekend?
I went to my cousin's birthday party. It was a blast.
That sounds like fun. What did you do at the party?
We played games, had cake, and danced a lot.
That sounds like fun. What did you do at the party?
We played games, had cake, and danced a lot.
Sounds like a memorable celebration. Did you get any cool presents?
Yeah, I got a new video game and some art supplies.
Those sound like great gifts. Have you tried the game yet?
Not yet, but I'm excited to play it after school.
Just remember to balance gaming with your homework, all right?
I will, Miss Smith. Thanks for the reminder.
No problem. Now, let's dive into today's topic, the solar system.
Oh, I love learning about space.
Me too. Our universe is endlessly fascinating. Did you know how many planets are in our solar system?
Yeah, there are 8, right?
Correct. Can you name them all?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Well done. You've got them all. Now let's talk about their characteristics.
Mercury is the closest to the Sun and the smallest planet, right?
That's correct. It's also one of the hottest planets.
Venus is the hottest, though, because of its thick atmosphere.
Exactly. Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect, making it incredibly hot.
Earth is the only planet with liquid water and life, right?
Yes, that's why it's called the Goldilocks planet. Not too hot, not too cold.
Mars is called the Red Planet because of its rusty surface.
Correct. Scientists believe Mars might have once harbored life.
That's so cool. What about the gas giants?
Jupiter and Saturn are the largest planets and primarily made of hydrogen and helium.
And they both have rings, right?
Yes, but Saturn's rings are much more prominent.
What about Uranus and Neptune?
They're the ice giants. Their atmospheres contain a lot of methane.
I find it amazing how diverse the planets are.
Indeed, space is full of wonders waiting to be explored.
I wish I could travel to other planets one day.
Who knows? Maybe one day you will. But for now, let's focus on mastering what we can learn here on Earth.
You're right, Miss Smith. I'll do my best.
That's all anyone can ask for. Keep up the great work and remember to keep reaching for the stars, both figuratively and literally.
Thanks, Miss Smith. I'll remember that.
Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.